Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Loop for project management in 2025. Loop has evolved massively and is now a powerful collaboration tool for teams. If you're ready to organize projects fast and smarter, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Let's jump in. First of all, what is Microsoft Loop? Loop is Microsoft's next generation collaboration platform. It combines documents, tasks, databases, and live components all in one place, kind of like Notion or Coda, but deeply integrated with Office 365 apps like Teams, Outlook, and OneDrive. The cool part, everything inside Loop updates live across all platforms. No manual syncing needed. Let's start by creating a workspace. This is like a home base for your project. Step to follow, open Microsoft Loop, click Get Started with Microsoft Loop. Then click Get Started again from here. Then log in with your Microsoft account. Now it's loading. Once you are in, click Create New and click New Workspace. Then name your workspace, for example, Product Loans 2025. Then click Create. Again, title, same, Product Loans 2025. Add a description if you want. Invite your team member by email. Just click Invite and Manage Members. Click on that button and enter their email. You can also set permissions like view only or edit access right from here. Everything you add inside will now be connected to the specific project. Inside your workspace, you organize your project using pages and sub-pages. Pages are like section, for example, project overview. Just click blank page. Task tracker, meeting notes, content calendar. To create a sub-page, simply click add sub-page. Like that. Click three dot icon and click new sub-page. This keeps everything neat and easy to navigate. Structure your pages like a table of contents for your project. Now let's manage tasks. Now let's manage tasks. Inside any page, you can insert a task list by typing task list like that. assign task easily, type at the rate, and select a teammate from here. Set due dates directly inside loop. Tasks will sync automatically with Microsoft To Do and Planner if you have them connected. This way, everyone knows who's doing what, and deadlines stay clear across all platforms. Here's where Loop really shines like component. You can copy a piece of content like a task list or a voting table and paste it into a team set or an Outlook email. Everyone can edit it right from the chat or email, and all changes sync instantly inside your inside loop. No switching apps, everything updates and everywhere. This keeps conversions and documents perfectly aligned. No more confusion about the latest version. Quick tips for using Loop like a pro. Create templates for recurring projects. Use tags and filters to organize large workspace. Keep meeting notes inside the project pages. Link to tasks directly. Embed files like PDFs, images, and Excel sheet right inside pages. And don't forget, Loop works beautifully on mobile too. So you can manage your project on the go. And that's it. Now you know how to use Microsoft Loop for project management in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on Loop AI features next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.